How to change your TikTok username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your username on TikTok. But before we get started, as always, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, there are two types of name on TikTok. One is a display name and the other is a username. You can only change the display name once in a week, and you can only change the username once in every 30 days, which means once in a month. So if you've already changed it between the recent 30 days, then you will not be able to do it. But if you've crossed that 30 days period of time, then all of a sudden you will be able to change the username as well. So in order to change that username, just go ahead and launch the TikTok application. Once you launch the TikTok app, you will see this kind of interface. Now what you have to do is simply tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap on the profile icon and then you come to this page, what you have to do is select the option called edit profile. As you could see, as you tap on edit profile, here you can see name and here you can see username. So in order to change our username, just tap on it. Once you tap on username, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. Here you just want to enter the new username that you want to use and just tap on the save button. But before you save, you can also read a disclaimer that says username can only contain some kind of alphabetical numbers and so on, and you can only change a username once every 30 days. So as I said earlier, once in a month. And that's all it takes to change your username on TikTok. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.